In this guide, Visual Studio Code will be downloaded, installed, configured correctly, and connected to the command line, so it works like a professional development setup. Start by opening any web browser already installed on your computer. Click on the address bar, type code.visualstudio.com and press enter. The official Visual Studio Code website loads. Make sure it says Visual Studio Code and shows Microsoft as the publisher. This ensures the download is legitimate. Click the button that says Download for Windows. The installer file begins downloading automatically. Wait for the download to complete. Once finished, click the downloaded file named something like VSCode User Setup X. If Windows asks for permission, click Yes. The setup window opens. Select I accept the agreement, then click Next. Leave the default installation location unless there is a specific reason to change it, then click Next again. On the Start menu folder screen, leave the default settings and click Next. Now pay attention to the Additional Tasks screen. Check the box that says Create a desktop icon. Make sure Add to Path is checked. Also check Add Open with Code Action to Windows Explorer File Context Menu and Directory Context Menu. These options make development much smoother later. Click Next, then click Install. The progress bar moves while Visual Studio Code installs. Wait until it reaches 100%. When installation completes, leave Launch Visual Studio Code checked and click Finish. Visual Studio Code opens automatically. This is the welcome screen. Now test that everything works properly from the command line. Open the Start menu, type CMD, and press Enter to open Command Prompt. In Command Prompt, type code, version, and press Enter. If Visual Studio Code was added to path correctly, a version number appears. That confirms the installation is complete and the system recognizes the code command. Back inside Visual Studio Code, click on Extensions on the left sidebar. This is where programming language support is installed. For example, type Python in the search bar. Install the official Python extension published by Microsoft. This enables IntelliSense, debugging, and full language support. You can repeat this process for any language, like C++, JavaScript, or others, by searching and installing verified extensions. At this point, Visual Studio Code is fully installed, connected to the system path, integrated with the command line, and ready for development. This setup is clean, professional, and scalable. From here, projects can be opened instantly with code. From any folder, extensions can be installed per language, and the built-in terminal keeps everything in one place. And once this environment is set up correctly, development becomes faster, smoother, and fully controlled. Now Visual Studio Code isn't just installed, it's configured like a developer's machine.